Cars are sort of upper echelon, and yeah, just get a feel for Lakeside. Chicken dinner! Yeah. Oh man. Do a video. Hey, apparently this guy does alright.
We're going to turn it up a bit now.
I know, right? Now start sending it.
The first hit, I was like, nah, he's not going to win. Yeah, it's coming through here. I don't know. Dude, it's steam traffic.
It's just in like this, man. It's just
Tetnus going for one more run. So then getting faster and faster. Hopefully it can crack a 5. Jump in there or what? Is there room for me to have a swim in there?
Yeah.
Here we go. Let's gauge the smile on the man's face. Oh, he's got a big smile. Is it big enough? Come on, you can see it in your face, mate.
I'm not saying a word.
You're happy, man. I just want to know if you're happy.
Big congrats to Alex and Murph for tuning and suspension setup. Great work, guys. Shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favourite video around to your mates. Much appreciated, guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.